Hello and welcome to Unlock Life. You are listening to our Take It Easy series, which is made just for seniors. We hope you like it. In this episode, we will see how to set recurring alarms on your phone. Open the clock on your phone and tap on the alarms. Now, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and set the time. Now, if you want your alarm to repeat daily or weekly, tap on repeat. Then, tap on the days you want your alarm to repeat. For example, if you want daily, you will select all the days. Now, tap on back and then tap on save in the top right corner. Now that you have got recurring alarms on your phone, you'll never miss a step in your daily routine. And that's all for today. We hope this was helpful. You can download our app for more such tips. Download link is in the description below. Our app also provides assistance for any need seniors may have. Our library has a huge collection of music, videos, games, and many more for seniors. You can also join our exclusive social club for seniors to socialize, discover, and enjoy. You can also call or WhatsApp us at 98989 58411. Thank you and see you again soon.